Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to access the user entity settings. Take note that the user entity settings are set per user per entity to customize the program to the specific needs of the practice. These settings will determine how functions are set up and work per user in the entity. Important note: the user entity settings will always override entity settings and diary settings for the specific user. If the user entity settings are not set up, the settings will default back to the entity settings that has been set up. To access the user entity settings, start from the diary screen and click on the settings button in the top right corner. In the settings window, click on the user entity settings tab. The user can set the following in their user entity settings: theming, booking statuses, booking types, general settings, easy events, and script. Please refer to the relevant individual settings user manuals for each panel listed down in the description of this video.